Let me show you how to turn all of your delicious tomatoes you harvested this season into a yummy tomato sauce. First, you want to wash all of your tomatoes, remove the cores, and cut them into halves or quarters. And then you're going to lay them out in a roasting pan. I've cut this tomato and now I'm going to lay it face down in my roasting pan. To take out the center stem, I just kind of cut a circle around the top and gently lift that middle piece out. Then I'm just going to cut this in half. I have some fresh garlic that I'm going to put into the pan after I clean them up and cut them, and a nice roasted garlic really adds a lot of flavor. Drizzle well with some olive oil and place in the oven. I turn my oven up to about 400 to 425 degrees and let them roast for about an hour. When they're done, your house will smell heavenly and the skins of the tomato will be browned and crinkly. Roasting tomatoes is one of the best smells. Then I transfer the tomatoes and all the juices into a blender and I'm going to blend them up at a high speed. I don't remove seeds or skins, I just blend them up really good, and this is an easy process and I don't mind having some skins in my sauce. Some people may not like that, but for us, we don't care. After it's all blended, I transfer that into a large roasting pan so they can simmer down. Now I process a lot of tomatoes, so if you don't have that many, you can do this in a normal pot or a crock pot. And we do this because we want the water to evaporate out. And after some hours, you're left with a nice thick sauce like this. So all of that excess water has evaporated and now it's nice and thick. So this is to your preference. For this batch of sauce, I'm just going to freeze the sauce and I put it in Ziploc baggies like this. Sometimes I will do canning of the sauce and process the jars in a water bath can. But for freezing, you just lay them flat in your freezer and pop them in, and then you have a delicious homemade sauce. Enjoy!